Hello everyone. First of all, happy new financial year. I hope this year bring growth and success to your business. Today we will show you a three simple way to move into the new financial year in TallyPrime. Let's start step by step. First method is the simplest one. If you don't want to create a new company, just press Alt F2 and change the financial year. That's it. Your same company will be continued. But one important point, your old and new data will be in the same company. Second method is split company data. Enter the date of 1st April 2026. Now, what happens? Your previous year data will be separated. And the new company will be created automatically with the opening balances. This keeps your data clean, proper, and audited. Third method is creating a new company manually. Go to Create Company. Enter the details. And start fresh. So there is a two-way. First one, you need to enter opening balances manually here. Second one, you can import opening balances with the Excel sheet. And this is the completely fresh start. After selecting any method, don't forget to update your invoice numbering. Go to the voucher types, sales, enable the options, and change the prefix. Restart your numbering. Change your suffix. It will be 26 and 27. And restart numbering from 1. So before you start entries in the new year, make sure all previous year entries are completed, bank reconciliation is done, GST returns are filed, backup of the data is taken. This avoid mistakes and ensure smooth transaction. So these are the three simple ways to move into the new financial year in TallyPrime.